Many of us don't know the reasons why we live here. And most of the people that existed but don't know the purpose why they are existed in this life. Their life seems an experiment because it's hard for them to see what is their purpose. Some people think that they have purpose to become rich and then focus on creating money. But money is a material thing only. And you focus on material thing only, you still don't know what is the real purpose why you are existed here. So yes, it's mahalaga na yung money kasi kailangan natin yan. Pero hindi yan yung basis ng life kung bakit nabubuhay ang bawat tao. Kailangan malaman natin ano ba yung purpose natin, bakit nabubuhay tayo, ano ba yung mga pwede natin gawin. Kasi kapag hindi mo alam yung purpose mo sa buhay, wala kang direksyon, on and off ka. Gagalaw ka lang sa bagay na kung kailan mo gusto. At pag hindi mo gusto, gagawa ka din ng paraan para hindi ka makagalaw. So, it's an on and off kind of life. Kasi wala kang purpose eh. Wala kang dahilan kung bakit kailangan mo mabuhay. At kapag ganun yung way of life mo, mahirap. Kasi hindi ka mananatiling maging strong. Pag meron ka na experience sa life mo na struggles, madali kang bibitaw. Madali kang babagsak. Kasi hindi mo alam yung purpose mo. But when you live on a purpose that God given to you, whatever it is, you stand firm and strong because you have that foundations. That's why it is important that we have to know what is the purpose of your life. Hope this simple motivational talk will learn something, especially the things that give glory to God. Every purpose that you have is giving glory to God. Whatever it is, you have to know, you have to find out what it is. Thank you everyone and God bless.